Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. June 8, 2025, Linggo. Meron tayong 10 karera. Kabilang dyan yung second leg ng Triple Crown, Hopeful, at 3-year-old locally bred stakes race. 2:30 PM, race number 1. Okay, simulan agad natin. Race 1, first pick 6. 3-year-old imported local challenge race. 1400 meters ang distansya. Ito, tingin ko 2-horse battle between Anytime Anywhere at Morally. Kaya sa kanila na rin ako dyan. Numero 1, Anytime Anywhere, Chan Audin Guse. Numero 3, Morally with Mark Alvarez. Tingin ko pwede sumilat yung dalawang imported na rin, yung numero 2 at yung numero 5. Pero 1-3 na rin ako dyan, race 1. Race number 2, first winner take all. 1,800 meters ang distansya nito. Ito yung locally bred stakes race, second leg. Pamprimero ko 5, Lilibel with JB Hernandez. Panigundo ko si Tasha, number 9 with CS Pare. 5-9, race number 2. Race number 3, first pick 5 naman to. 1-8 din ang distansya. Second leg ng Hopeful stakes race. Pamprimero ko number 6, Flaming June, AR Villegas. Then panigundo ko 9, Robotic Clay with JB Bakekay. 6-9, race 3. Race number 4, second winner take all naman to. Class 3, 40-46 saka 47-53 milya ang distansya. Ito mga dekalidad na imported. Pamprimero ang Sherbet Fountain, number 7 with Mark Alvarez. Panigundo ko yung dalawang dos, Hole in One tsaka Ace of Diamonds, JM Storke at Ace of Diamonds. AR Villegas na, inalis na kay JB Hernandez. Sasama ko yung 5, Barati with JB Bakekay. 7-5, race 4. Race number 5 tayo. Second pick 6. Ito na yung third leg ng Triple Crown stakes race. 1-8 ang distansya niyan. Pamprimero ko yung first leg winner na rin, Benalot AU with Mark Alvarez. Then second choice ko, Static Offer, Neil P. Cortez. And then sasama ko yung Tomercero, Parade King, number 9 with Pau Pau Guse. 249, race number 5. Race number 6, second pick 5 naman to. Class 5, 11-15 split. 1-4 ang distansya. Heavyweight, first choice number 1, JT Pabilit. Panigundo ko Majestic Star, number 6 with JD Calagos. 1-6, race number 6. Race number 7. Pick 4. Class 4. 28 to 33. 1-4 ang distansya. Pang-primera ko, number 6 na rin, Redeemer. With Pau Pau Buse. Panigundo ko, number 3, Crusading. With Chan Outed Buse. 6-3. Race 7. Race number 8. Huling DD plus 1. Class 5, 6 to 10 split. 1-4 ang distansya. Pang-primera ko. At sosolohin ko na, numero 14. Malabon King. JRD Ocampo. Numero 14. Race 8. Race number 9, penultimate race, class 4, 22 to 27 split, 1400 meters. Ito, sosolohin ko na rin to, another JRD Ocampo, border post number 7, 57 nga lang ang dala-dala pero tingin ko kaya pa rin. Solo ko na yan, 7 for race number 9. Race number 10, uling karera tayo, class 4, 16 to 21 split, 1-4 ang distansya. Ang primera ko, number 10, Basket of Gold, CS Pare Jr. Panigundo ko, 11, Sting with Kelvin Abobo. And then sasama ko, numero 1, Bantay Sarado with AR Villegas. 10-11-1 para sa ating race number 10. Good luck po at racing. God bless.